So for those who are having the dilemma of choosing phones, either 504 or 505, you know, for those who are interested in classic or vintage Peugeot cars, I don't know which one to choose among these two, 504 or 505. If you live in Nigeria, all I'll tell you is this: 504 are still more on Nigerian road than 505. So what that means is there are more body parts of 504. You can still get more body parts of 504 than 505. 505 body parts are going extinct. The engine parts they share the same, but body parts this is becoming hard to get. So my point is, if you are the type that like doing bumper to bumper drive, that is very irresponsible the way you drive. You drive, you don't give anybody gap. When you're on traffic, you always want to push yourself, try to swap other vehicles. Avoid 505 because you are going to you will get a point you won't be able to use the vehicle because as the more you scratch the car, the more you hit the car, the more you damage the body, the more you have accident with the car, the more you won't be able to get it back to factory shape because they are no longer parts, or at least very hard to get. So be very careful. You are better off with 504. If you live in Nigeria, there are still body parts for 504, at least more available than the 505. You might not get them new for some of the body parts, but at least you can able to get a used one that is still in good condition, that can still serve and the car will look new or neat. The 505, see, you might think, oh, you can always panel beat the body and bring it out of shape. Trust me, if you panel beat, you get a point, it will look so shabby, it will look like what we regard as kabu kabu. So what's the point? You can as well just go for a modern car. Why buy or use a classic vehicle that will look like a wretched car that is not properly taken care of? You defeat the purpose. So that's my advice. 505 is someone who appreciate or value his car and drive gently. Don't bother about who is right or wrong. Even if the person is wrong, let him win. Do not compete with the person on the road. Let him drive his radical way of driving, but take care of your car. All right, so I hope that makes sense. This is from the people that live in Nigeria. I don't know about other clients. A clean looking 505 stands out on Nigerian road right now in 2025, but it comes at a cost. You have to be very careful not to experience that high cost. All right, like the video, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.